24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. BAE Systems Jacksonville Ship Repair has continuous availability for your commercial vessel. For any job you need, when you need it. Our fully facilitized 100-acre shipyard is strategically located 2 miles from the Atlantic Ocean up the St. Johns River. We offer competitive pricing and a secure shipyard and decades of proven experience. Our team of skilled craftsmen and trusted suppliers provide you with the highest quality commercial vessel repair services. And we stand behind our work and are committed to you for the long haul. In spring of 2025, we will become the most capable facility on the East Coast of the United States, featuring a new ship lift and expanding our docking capacity by 300%. Trust BAE Systems Jacksonville Ship Repair to achieve your maritime needs with complete confidence.